your Robo E3 printer to MyStemKits, the first thing you need to do is make sure that your printer is connected to the internet. Look in the top toolbar and look for an either Ethernet or Wi-Fi symbol. If that's there and there's no little exclamation point, you're ready to move on to the next step. To connect it to MyStemKits, you're going to go into Tools, Network, and you notice from this page, this is where you would set up your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connections. But right now we're going to go into Cloud. Under Cloud, we have a few different options, including MyStemKits. From this page, you can see an alphanumeric code, and at the top, a place where you can actually toggle on MyStemKits. Now, Robo E3s can only talk to one cloud platform at a time. So if you're using multiple, such as Robo Cloud, you'll have to make sure you toggle on the one you're going to be using at that point. To toggle it on, you simply click in this top bar right here until you can see the green. Now that I have my code, I'm going to go to MyStemKits and log into my account. Once you're logged into MyStemKits, navigate to Printer Management using the left-hand navigation panel. On the Printer Management page, you'll be able to see all of the printers connected to your account, as well as any printers that are currently printing. To add a new printer, simply click Register Printer in the top once it fully loads the page. From this screen, you have instructions on connecting a variety of printers, but for the Robo 3D printers, you don't need to download any software. Instead, you look for the Robo logo and click Register. You then get a text box where you can enter the code that you got from your printer. Once you've typed it in, click Add, and you'll get a little green "Printer was registered successfully" message. You can now close out of this window and watch for your printer to arrive in available printers. It may take a full minute to arrive, but once it does, you'll be able to see it in your available printers, and you can even adjust the name using the little purple pencil. At this point, you are now ready to start 3D printing, so watch our video on how to 3D print from MyStemKits to get started.